Today the matter was fixed for orders before the administrator of Komnedar with respect to the illegal construction of MRS shed and the stop work order issued by the administrator of Komnedar. Unfortunately, being the lawyer of the Devasthan, I am disappointed with the order because the stop work order has been vacated and the administrator is pleased enough to pass a reasoned order. He has given reasons why he has vacated the stop work order. Since it's a judicial order, I have no right to comment over the order before the media. That's the reason why whatever my objections are, whatever I feel the points which I have argued are not appreciated or not interpreted in the manner in which I interpreted the Code of Komnedar, I will file appeal before the administrative tribunal and canvass my points there. Only I will bring it to the notice of the media that there's a point number 58 which says that it cannot be doubted that the action of the village panchayat to use the subject land purely based on the NOC without further approval of the government is improper. However, use per se will not be illegal or amount to encroachment since the government can always ratify and grant the approval. This is, thus in my opinion, this is a case of irregular grant and not illegal. As such, powers under 371 of the code need not be exercised. Powers under 371 are for encroachment and illegal grants. He says, according to the order, the administrator says that the grant was irregular but not illegal. And that's the reason why he vacates the stop work order. So if his order passed, I interpreted the Code of Komnedar in a particular manner and in the course of arguments I brought it to the notice of him. His interpretation differed from my interpretation and he has passed a judicial order which I will challenge before the appropriate forum. That's it. I cannot comment anything on the order as such, but I feel my only apprehension is that since the stop work order is vacated now, there are chances that the illegal construction will be in a high-ended manner carried out from tomorrow onwards. So that is the only apprehension. And my clients have told me if the construction is started, they will continue their peaceful protest without taking law into their hands. That is what.